handfuls out of the bowl. Tyler, go back with the bowl.
The bowl up.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
What is that?
Gotta get Grandma and Grandpa in here.
Oh yeah. What is that?
His belly.
Dev, what you doing, buddy? Devin. Devin, you gotta say hi to Daddy.
Say hi, Dad.
Devin,
Dad.
say hi, Daddy. Miss you. Devin, what does Cow say? Yeah.
You're just to catch your steers. Catch your steers.
Get your feet fixed?
Little tractor. And there's Bubba's in there. He's driving track. Hi, Devin. He's driving tractor. He's got a job for the summer. Devin, it's okay, honey. It's okay, honey.
Pet it like a dog. Like Timmy, like a bunny. Just pet it.
Devin, what do you think?
Yeah. Look at Mama.
Devin. Hi, buddy.
In my eyes, Mom. I don't swim too hard. You're rocking. Tyler, you're rocking it. Don't swim. Cool, huh?
Say hi, Devin.
Hi, Mom.
Tony Kukoc has been playing Rick Smith. Longley's been doing such a great job, and Longley's not comfortable. He only has 3 fouls. And if the Pacers lose this game, they'll be able to go back to Charlotte right there at the free throw line. They survived a lot. Tony Kukoc has been playing Rick Smith. Longley's been doing such a great job, and Longley's not comfortable. He only has 3 fouls. And if the Pacers lose this game, they'll be able to go back to Charlotte right there at the free throw line. They survived a lot.
Camera. Say hi, Mama. Can you blow kisses? Can you do your ABCs? Yeah, and 1, 2, 3. Can you say love you?
Yeah, yeah.
What else do you have to say?
Yeah, yeah.
What's the cow say? What's the dog say? What about a kitty?
Nah.
What about a shark? What's a shark say? What's a fish do? Yeah?
What
What's
about an elephant?
Good boy. What about a monkey? Remember monkeys?
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Yeah,
Say see ya.
yeah.
Say, I broke the remote.
Say adios.
Yeah,
I love you.
yeah.
Love you, kisses. Devin, can you give me a wink?
Uh-oh.
Give mommy a wink.
Give me a wink. Oh, yeah, good boy. Say bye-bye.